KAAN is the most advanced, sophisticated, and state-of-the-art fighter jet that Turkey has produced to date. The aircraft will be equipped with the latest technology systems. I had previously shared a video about this. The current video focuses on what KAAN can achieve. In this video, we will discuss when KAAN, the National Combat Aircraft, will replace the F-16s currently in our inventory. KAAN successfully completed its first flight on February 21, 2024, staying airborne for 13 minutes. During this flight, no issues were encountered. The flight systems operated seamlessly, just as they did in the simulator. The flight was conducted alongside another aircraft, and the in-air footage was recorded for later analysis. This video was later shared with the Turkish public as a celebratory announcement on social media. During this flight, KAAN reached an altitude of 8,000 feet and a speed of 230 knots. KAAN demonstrates superior air dominance with extended air-to-air combat range, enhanced by new weapons, high supersonic speed precision strikes from internal weapon bays, and a high-performance integrated avionics system supported by artificial intelligence and heterogeneous computing. During its first flight, KAAN utilized TÜBİTAK, the Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey, central computer, avionics interface units, deterministic network, multi-core real-time operating system, and middleware. The multi-core National Real-Time Operating System used by KAAN was developed by TÜBİTAK Bilgim. This real-time operating system, designed to meet KAAN's high computing needs, was adapted into a multi-core version and used in the main management computers during KAAN's first flight. Once the fifth-generation fighter jet project is completed, it will become unique with the critical technologies developed by TÜBİTAK. The flight control and aircraft management computers are responsible for managing the engine, flight control surfaces, flaps, and other aircraft systems. These were used during KAAN's first flight. The central management computers manage the main onboard systems and weapon systems, produce displays for avionics and helmet-mounted display units, and ensure the aircraft's cybersecurity. These fifth-generation integrated modular avionics computers were also used in KAAN's first flight. The mission management computers handle and process data from communication, navigation, electro-optical targeting, radar, and electronic warfare systems. The avionics interface units convert sensor and actuator signals on the aircraft and enable communication with systems that have older interfaces. The AESA radar, to be located in KAAN's nose, is being designed by Aselsan. This radar will give KAAN a significant advantage in air combat, especially in dogfights. The first Turkish AESA radar will be tested on the Akıncı UAV. After evaluating its performance, it will be installed on the KAAN National Combat Aircraft. This radar will detect potential enemies from further away and alert the mission control computer. The pilot can then take ghost-like action against threats seen on the radar, giving Turkey a significant advantage in aerial combat. KAAN's next mission is to continue its test flights alongside its sibling, the second prototype, while improving its combat and stealth capabilities. We will continue closely following these developments. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next technology video. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and like my video.